in the first part of 2022 itself. The result was that even though our training got over in June 22, examinations for either the first year or the second year, both years could not happen. Thousands of posts of assistant teachers were vacant. We went to the High Court saying, please direct them to take the examination expeditiously so that we are not excluded for consideration when these thousands of posts are advertised sometime in the end of this year, that is 2022. When our writ petition remained pending, the advertisement is issued. That recruitment notice is at page 219. Recruitment notice says, we are starting with this recruitment process. All candidates who have,
as a preparatory exercise.
yes, all candidates who are DLED pass are eligible, and the recruitment notice said the 2020 batch which examinations could not be held for reasons beyond their control will also be considered in this selection process. Kindly have that at page 219. That is the advertisement. Now, then comes a second circular which also says the same thing. When that circular says the same thing, the learned single judge then says, your cause is over, so my writ petition is disposed of, saying, this is the circular, you are being considered, it's all right. Some people who were eligible in the earlier batches, they filed the letters of appeal. In the appeal, the board appears and files an affidavit saying they are not at fault. We were at fault. That affidavit is extracted in the order, that the chairman was held up, that a new board was formed. Now our examination is held in September. We are actually past the examination also, Lord, sometime in October. December, we passed the examination. Now the division bench has reversed it, saying that it is against the rule. Now I'll show the rule. The rule doesn't say anything of that sort. And this is a...
Let's see the rule.
Yes, the rule is filed in the additional documents. Page 18 of the additional application for additional documents. We have at page 20.
Why is that they allowed this advertisement?
Yes, yes. At page 219.
19.
Page 219.
Yes.
Your Lordship got it. Para 3. Para 3 is the qualification. Now I'll read clause B. The candidate should possess the minimum educational and training qualification as prescribed by the National Council for Teachers prevailing on the date of publication of the notification. And now that is us. TET qualified candidates who are undergoing DLED, DED, special education.
Given opportunity.
Yes, training 20, that is us, 2022 is us. And who have qualified in the DLED training will be given an opportunity to participate.
When did you qualify?
December. And so far nothing has happened.
December 2022.
Correct. Even the advert
address of September.
Correct.
Notification of
Correct.
September.
Correct.
So you got the qualifications post the notification.
Our training.
That's the only.
Correct.
So how are you permitted?
Our training got over in June 2022.
Yes.
The examination could not be held. Kindly see now the judgment itself. That affidavit is extracted. Please see.
For their
Correct.
their
Session is
who have
2021.
qualified in so and so part 1.
Correct.
Part 1
Part 1 we had qualified before September.
will be given opportunity to participate. And what is the circular issued by them?
No, that circular comes later. Page 221 in October 22.
221.
What does it say?
It says the same thing. In continuation, page 221, in continuation of our earlier notification, dated 29/9/22, which I have just read, it is hereby notified for all concerned that online applications for recruitment are invited from TET qualified candidates, including the appearing candidate for session 2022. That is us.
Okay, then,
As B.Ed course in compliance with the orders of the Honorable High Court of Calcutta against statewide vacancies for appointment to the post of assistant teachers against 11,765 number of vacancies. Now, then 86 are extracted because Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay has passed various orders saying
Okay.
appoint, remove.
No,
Now the legal issue is this. The rules do not prescribe a date when the qualification is to be fulfilled. The rules say,
normally is the notification.
yes, but
date of notice.
the appointing authority, which is the government, can prescribe a qualification saying that so and so is eligible, and that doesn't violate 14 and 16. And this is a case where the board is responsible. We are not responsible. Please see page 13, what the board says on affidavit before the court. Lord, it is the whole of West Bengal knows.
Like, who's appearing for the other?
Lord, I am appearing for the candidates who preferred an appeal before the
No,
court appeal.
who are the respondents before us?
The board is there.
Board is there. Let's
Board.
see.
I'm
Board.
appealing for the board.
Please accept notice and file your counters. We should-
Can we see?
But so far,
Affidavits be filed.
so far the, my lord, my learned friend's prayer before your lawsuits is contrary to statutory.
File a reply, we'll go into it. There's something that may engage us. You are free to dissuade us. Issue notice.
Great.
Also for the respondent accepts notice and seeks time to file. Respondent's number, is there anybody who has to be served? Please point out.
My lord, I do not know what they are accepting notice for.
Please give your presences. In the private, there are several private parties.
Then your lordship may say dusty for the unserved respondents.
Trustee for the remainder.
For board, I am accepting notice, board is respondent,
Put
but
on your
I should,
notice, whoever is present.
and I undertake to file.
Very well. And issue notice to the remaining respondents by ordinary process, Dusty and addition. Counter affidavit 4 weeks, rejoinder 2 weeks, list of services, pleading, service and pleadings is complete. Next.
My lord, they are now going ahead with the selection process. Now, if the selection process is completed, we will
How
be.
long will it take for the selection process?
Lordship, it's ready. We are unable to publish the merit
Till
list.
further orders, the respondent number
One respondent number.
4
Lordship, may
Yes.
is restrained from declaring the merit list. Next.
Grateful.
Lordship,
Grateful.
Lordship, may kindly consider one aspect, Lordship.
Yes.
We will
2 and 65.
we will have, there is a scarcity of the teachers.
If you're putting it, we'll complete your pleadings, come back. Next.
It can be done within a
Next,
week.
next.
Grateful. 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 We'll serve them a lot.
No, you see, we can curtail it, but there's so many respondents, how will you serve all of them in such a short notice?
2 weeks your lordship may give. In 2 weeks answer.
2 weeks, plus 2 weeks.
Lordship, may permit us to,
Plus 2, we can't shorten it.
no, Lordship, I am just making one
Yes,
humble prayer, Lordship. The panel can be published.
we are not doing anything like that.
That will create a problem.
More
That will
interesting,
create.
more interesting. Jump into the
Correct,
next, sorry.
correct,
Next,
correct.
please.
Grateful.
53, 54, we are not taking up place, the after notice dates will be fixed in that on an NMT day. And 56. there's a-
Lordship, permit us to
Accommodate the-
publish the result with them.
Item 60, there is a.
Subject to result of the
No,
case.
please, no. There is a settlement in item 60, a yes or a no. Any council in 60, is there a settlement?
Yes, your ladyship.
Is there a settlement?
Yes, your ladyship.
So where is the other side? 60, put it next week. On an NMT, you have not filed a settlement. On an NMT, 60. Now come to the passovers. The rest of the matters will be adjourned, please, and put on NMTs within 2 weeks.